Taylor Montgomery with Three Girls Media, and today we're going to be talking about 5 advantages of using the Google Plus social media platform. You know, Google Plus is really an incredibly valuable resource for business owners, especially when it comes to increasing your website traffic. Check out some of these statistics. Did you know that Google Plus has over 300 million users, and 22% of adults who are on the internet use Google Plus each month? That's the same number who use Twitter and more than use Pinterest, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Google Plus posts also generate almost as much engagement as Facebook posts do, and almost twice as much engagement as Twitter posts. Now, any of those statistics is good enough reason in and of itself to use the Google Plus platform, but I'm going to give you 5 more reasons that it really makes a lot of sense. Number 1. When users either share or +1 your updates, it positively affects your search engine results, therefore increasing your website traffic. Number 2. Having a Google Plus page makes it easier for your business to be found locally. Your page is going to be included directly in Google search results, and that means an increase in your website traffic. Number 3. You can actually link your Google Plus profile to your website or your blog, and that way your picture is going to come up right next to your search results in Google. And that means a higher click-through rate, which in turn means more website traffic. Number 4. Google Plus can actually be linked up with Google's other tools like Google Analytics and Google AdWords to make your campaigns even more effective and efficient. In fact, if your Google Plus account is connected to your AdWords account, it allows you to target your ads much more precisely. That increases your click-through rate, and then again, increases your website traffic. Notice a trend here? And then number 5, Google Plus is actually the only social media platform that allows you to separate your fans into what they call circles. And you can think of circles as an individual group. So by creating a bunch of different circles for different categories, like for example, one for current clients, one for previous clients, and one for your business associates, you can really highly target your posts. And doing that kind of micro-marketing can work exceptionally well and really help keep your business top of mind. So there you go. That's 5 plus reasons that you can use the Google Plus platform. If you have questions about this topic, social media in general, or public relations, don't hesitate to contact us today at threegirlsmedia.com or 408-218-2391. I'm Erica Taylor Montgomery for Three Girls Media. Thanks for watching.